Hello friends, very good evening to everybody. I'm Namita, your friend. Friends, today's video on perspectives in child development paper 2. I think Bhavani or someone else requested me to make video on Kohlberg's moral development theory. So today's video on that. And Bhavani, sorry for late uploading this video. So let's see what Kohlberg's moral development theory. Theory of moral development by Kohlberg. See, what do you mean by Kohlberg's moral development theory? Friends, Kohlberg want to study about how the child acquire moral values by seeing the peer groups, by seeing parents, by the elders, how the child acquire moral value. Friends, for example, पेरेंट्स ऐसे बोलते हैं बच्चों को, बेटा ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए, वैसा नहीं करना चाहिए, कब थैंक यू बोलना चाहिए, कब सॉरी बोलना चाहिए. और पेरेंट्स ऐसे बोलते हैं बेटा बड़ों से बात नहीं, ऐसे नहीं करना चाहिए, वैसे नहीं करना चाहिए, ऐसे बोलते हैं. तो हाउ दे एक्वायर मोरल वैल्यूज. सो लेट्स सी हाउ व्हाट कोलबर्ग्स वांट टू से. So, Kohlberg's theory of moral development is a theory that focuses on how the children develop morality and the moral values. Lawrence Kohlberg was interested in how people learn to decide what is right, what is wrong. To understand this topic, he developed moral development theory. Okay. So, Kohlberg's theory suggests that moral development occurs in a series of 6 stages. Okay. How many stages? 6 stages. By 6 stages, the children learn and acquire the moral values, and they know and they get to know about what is right, what is wrong. So let's see the 6 stages one by one. The first stage, punishment and obedience orientation. So what is punishment and obedience orientation? Friends, let's see. Child decides what is right. Child decide what is right, what is wrong on the basis of punishment. See, for example, if a child will do something wrong, the parents or the elders or teachers will punish them. By the punishment what they get, they will know what this is right or this is wrong. Okay, if they will do something right, elders will appreciate them. Obedience based on his own sake. Obedience based on his own choice. They will obey or disobey. But they obey the elders because they thought elders have the superior power. They thought what elders are saying that is right. That's why they are obeying the parents or teachers. Okay. So, how the child know what is right and what is wrong? By the punishment. Okay. Now, the second stage, individualization, instrumental purpose and exchange. So, what is it? A child follows rules when it is in its interest. They will follow the rule if in its interest only. What brings pleasant result is good for them, and they will also thought in return, in exchange, what they will get. Okay, ये मैं करूँ तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा, ऐसा सोचते हैं वो लोग. ठीक है. So that's why it is saying exchange. In return, what they will get. Mutual interpersonal expectations, relationship and interpersonal firmity. This is the third stage. So what do you mean by interpersonal and expectation relationship? Let's see. The family plays a key role. The family plays a key role in child's character formation. how the behavior will develop, it depends on the family. Yes or no? The fourth stage, social system and conscience, law and order orientation. So what do you mean by social system? Friends, see, in this stage what will happen, the child's interest will shift to family to towards the society. Okay, how when they start to be elder, ओके वो जब बड़े होते हैं ना धीरे धीरे, तब क्या होता है, उसका इंटरेस्ट फैमिली से सोसाइटी को कन्वर्ट होता है. दे विल नो अबाउट द सोसाइटी, द रूल्स, द रेगुलेशंस. नेक्स्ट, द फिफ्थ वन, सोशल कंट्रैक्ट और यूटिलिटी एंड इंडिविजुअल राइट. सो व्हाट इज इट? Children aware that they will get to know that there are different views, there are different values. Okay, yes or no? There are different viewpoints are there. Mummy will say like that, teachers will say like that, and different values also there. So they will know about the viewpoints and different type of values. Now the sixth one, universal ethical principles. So what do you mean by ethical principles? What do you mean ethics? The young person develops and follow self-chosen ethical principles. उनको जो अच्छा लगता है ना वो सीखते हैं in determining what is right. So this ethical principle depends on its choice. Okay, so this is Kohlberg's moral development theory. I think you understood what is this theory and what Kohlberg want to say. Okay, so I think it is helpful for you. And friends, don't forget to like and subscribe me, and if anything doubt is there, you can comment me in the comment box. Thank you for watching my video.